Well, I have a special guest, and she's a big known designer, and she's in Hyderabad, and she is actually doing so well with her new creation in Miss World. And as we know, it's an honor program, for Hyderabad also Miss World. So I have a guest, and let me say hello to Archana ma'am and say thank you so much for joining us. I mean, I know it's a big pressure you're going through, so many countries under one roof and making them only they are good looking, but it's a tough job, not an easy job what you're doing. So first of all, I want to start with when this Miss World, I mean, it's the first time you've been collaborated with them, or earlier also there was so many collaborations happen?
So this is the second time I have worked with them. So last year I was the official designer of Miss World, and this year also
Wow.
I'm the official designer of Miss World. And it's been such an honor and such an inspiration to work with them and to work with Julia Morley, who is the founder of Miss World, and with Steve, her son. It's such an inspiration to work with them. The difficult part of Miss World, as you rightly
Yeah.
said, was that here there are girls from all over the world, and girls from different continents have different attributes to them. Like a girl, like from Africa, there are girls who are 7 feet tall, and from Asia, the girls who are 5 feet tall.
Yeah.
To make the 7 feet girl look right and the 5 feet girl look right is two different things altogether. There are people with different complexions come in, so giving them the right colors, giving their continent the right colors. But since we had worked on it last year, I think we were better versed this year. And also, I think, since we had worked and done 120 garments last year, we were more confident we could do it, because otherwise, just the sheer task of making so many garments is so challenging and stressful. But the last few weeks and weeks have been like almost like I had an exam to give, and every day I was at it trying to work on it, and I kept thinking my portion is not getting over and the exam is on my head. But finally, the portion is over and the exam is round the corner, and I'm waiting for it to happen. And for these girls to put their best foot forward, wearing things from India and making India be represented in the best way worldwide, so that Indian fabrics get more popularity and our Indian weavers get to sell more and their livelihood becomes even better.
That's a big thing what you have said, which needed the most. So I can see some of the
Yes,
great
can I
collections.
can I
So
show it
yeah,
to you?
please do that.
This time when we were working on these fabrics, the government of Telangana connected with us, and they connected us with some of the weaving families. So we went to Pochampalli
I
and we
think this
worked with.
Pochampalli was wear by Miss India this
Yes, it
time.
was.
Yeah,
Yes.
yeah.
So we went to Pochampalli and we worked with the weaving families of Pochampalli, and they worked on this beautiful double ikkar fabric with us, and they are so creative. It was a pleasure to
So till
work
now,
with
which
them.
countries they have? Miss India I've seen. Any other countries
Yes, a
they
few more
loved it?
countries also have
They
done
have
it.
it.
Yes,
Okay.
I'll send you the sketches of the garments
Wow,
we made
great.
with it
And
in some time. And then we've had the pleasure to work with this amazing
yes,
weaving
all
family.
South like it look. Yeah.
Yes. In India, when we have a wedding or we have a religious thing, we wear gold ornaments because we believe gold is auspicious. Now, this beautiful weaving family actually weaves gold into the fabrics. So this fabric, this border has been woven with 4 grams of gold
It's
in
a
the
gold
thread.
sari, I can
Yes,
call
it's a
it.
gold sari.
Wow.
So this happens, I think, only here in Telangana, and I'm so grateful to the government and to the Chief Minister, sir, for choosing us and having us work with these weavers.
So who has wear till now? This all girls have
Not
experienced
all
this
girls. So what we've
special
done
one?
is, yes, we've done a few. So that's what I'll send you the sketches and the girls who wore it.
Wow, this is a pure, like we can say it's a gold sari.
It's a gold
With
sari.
how much gram gold is
4
there?
grams of gold in
Okay,
it.
4 grams of gold sari. That's great.
This happens only in India, where
I
you can
know.
weave gold into the fabric and wear it.
That's
I
great.
think that's really so unusual, and I have not seen this anywhere else.
Wow.
And I've been working for the last 30 years.
This again looks like a gold sari again.
Yes.
But
So, this looks like liquid gold. And, as per the trend reports of 2025, liquid gold is a fabric that's trending right now. But here in Telangana, we have been making this liquid gold kind of a fabric for years and years. Now, this fabric is also something that has grams of gold in it.
How much
So,
it will be? We can name that. How much approximately?
So some saris have 4 grams, some saris have 6 grams, some saris have 2 grams. It depends upon.
Okay.
So they actually are woven with that's the liquid gold in it. It's
Liquid gold.
actual
Real,
it's actual
real,
real gold.
Yeah.
Yeah, and then the interesting part is the weavers actually call this and have nicknamed it as the matchbox saris.
Yeah, in Matchbox. You
Yes,
can put,
because this is so thin because
that
this
you
is
can
real
fold
gold.
it.
So they've woven it so thin that
Wow.
to use like gold is heavy so and expensive. So they've woven it so thin that you can actually fit this entire sari into one matchbox.
So I can say that this time all our Miss Worlds who are participating, they are having experience of wearing gold sari by ma'am, by designer Archana.
Yes.
So I think the successful mission is that you made them, wear gold sari.
Yes.
That's a great mission you
Yes,
have done.
so
Yeah.
some of the girls, we could
Okay.
not have sourced these for so
Yeah.
many girls
Hmm.
because it takes time to weave these
Yeah.
saris. So some of the girls have been adorned in these saris, and we've also taken the local raw silk from here and the local silk net from Telangana, and we've used the silk net and the raw silk, and we've embellished it with beautiful embroideries with motifs from the Chau Mahalla Palace and motifs from Charminar, and all the tassels that you see in these pieces are pearls because Hyderabad is the city of pearls. So a lot of pearls we've used. We've taken bunches of
sari.
pearls.
So where can we see that pearl sari? I mean, you're talking about
In,
something pearl?
in dupattas.
In
So I will
dupattas.
again share sketches
Oh.
and pictures of the girls
Okay.
wearing it. So we'll take your number after this and share everything with you. Yes. So
I'm more excited.
yes, because I don't have it in my hand right now, so I'll have to
But it's
share it.
shown
Yes, and I'll show you. I'll send you pictures of girls
Yeah.
wearing it.
Okay.
But what we've done is we've taken pearls so that we take forward the concept of the city of pearls. So we've taken bunches of pearls from a local market here, and we've used it to embellish all our garments with it. We've also tried to make this collection very regal. So we have a lot of coins, 92.7 silver coins, which on small coins on top of blouses, so that the collection is as regal as possible.
My God, do you mind? I mean, awesome the way you have created this designer. I mean, I'm so excited to see that, to touch that. Ma'am, as you know, you are, I think that will not be your first visit to Hyderabad. People know you for your work, and you've been collaborated with all big people, from Hyderabad for a long time. But I want a little bit, your first visit, what it comes, when you come to the city, what first clicks in your mind?
The gota from Hyderabad, the lumpy from Hyderabad. I absolutely love it. Then the pearls from Hyderabad. How much can you wear? So I have used so much of it in my clothes right now, So I think I love pearls as a person. You can see me wearing it even right now. So, the pearls of Hyderabad, the lumpy of Hyderabad, I think is so beautiful. The creativity in, the motifs of Chau Mahalla Palace, Charminar. So many things. I love your city. I love your city.
Yeah, thank you so much. We love you. And you are in our city. And the one thing is you've been designing for all the big stars over there. When it comes to Hyderabad, obviously you can't leave big stars of Hyderabad also. So you've been coordinated, or you just had a word with them, or you love designing for them. Something you can share about it. The South stars, if we talk about.
Yes, so with God's grace, we've had the opportunity to work with so many stars from Bollywood and from South all our life, and it's really nice.
If you can name them and your experience, something.
So
your memory, your lovely memories, yeah.
So I remember the first time, I think Rana Daggubati is from here.
Yeah.
And I think his father has a huge studio somewhere.
Yes.
So I remember many years back, the first time I went to meet him, and I saw his height, and his arm length was so much longer than mostly, So it was so amazing working with him and seeing how tall he is and how beautifully he carries so many people. Actually, I don't remember the names of all, but it's a beautiful, yes, and the lovely sets that they've, it's so nice.
And actress, if you can name, you have worked
so many. Actually, Shreya Saran is someone who's a dear friend, and I work so much with her, and so many. Tamanna Bhatia, so many people.
So many. I know it's a big list. I mean, but
it's a pleasure working with all of them.
But now, if you get a chance, you really want something. Yeah, I want to design something for her. Ek dream rehta na something. So you have anything? I mean, obviously you have achieved that target. So do you still want to design something different for somebody in your mind?
Every time I design for someone, I try to make them look like the best version and the best foot forward. I don't have a name in mind.
So no favoritism.
No favoritism. No favoritism.
So what do you have to say about this designing? I mean, what new we can see is like upcoming now. There's 1 week is left, and all are excited for the finals.
The fusion of global sensibilities with taking our. So we've taken the half sari concept from here, taken it forward, fused it with the northern concept of the lehengas, which is so popular by Bollywood, popularized by Bollywood, and tried to drip beautiful saris on it, so that it becomes so global that people all over the world want to wear this.
That's true. I'll just end up by asking some few questions. I'll give you 5 actresses and what suits them. So I'm just a little bit of, you can visualize and tell them. Your favorite one will start with first actors. Rana.
I think a lot of fusion styles can work very well with him, because he has such a tall body that he can wear a lot of fusion and look great in it.
Junior NTR.
I think he looks very good in even traditional and fusion, like a blend of both. Yeah,
Allu Arjun.
he can carry almost everything beautifully,
Wow.
both things. Yeah.
Prabhas.
I think a lot of traditional wear and lighter colors look lovely on him.
Ramcharan.
I think darker colors, and I think fusion works very well.
Good tips, I must say.
Yes.
Last we'll just ended by actresses. Tamanna.
She can also carry a lot of things very well, but she looks lovely in Indian wear, I think.
Samantha.
Fusion wear.
Fusion
very,
wear.
very good fusion wear. And she also can carry so many colors so well.
Rashmika.
I think she also carries everything very well. She has a lot of oomph in her. So I think she would look lovely in a new blend of fusion wear.
Anushka Shetty.
Traditional wear.
Traditional wear. And your favorite? I mean, Karina, I have seen you've been
Yes.
designing for her.
She
so
Karina also adds so much, life to the garment she wears. So I think she wears everything beautifully.
Wow, that's great. And
Yes.
thank you so much, because all people are waiting for your interview. I don't
Thank
want
you.
to take much
Yes,
time.
thank you.
Maybe later you keep coming to Hyderabad, as you
Yes.
know, it's a second home for you now.
Yes, yes.
So thank you so much. And
Thank
just we
you.
want to say one message to all there who follow you, who want to be upcoming designers, the young minds there seeing your interview.
So I would like to wish all the young designers all the very best for their careers and their endeavors in fashion. And I have lived a life in fashion, and I think it's been such a fulfilling journey. So it's going to be a fulfilling journey for you all as well. And the only thing that I would like to tell you all is that, we see a lot of glamour and we get attracted to glamour, but there's a lot of hard work, lots and lots of hard work behind the glamour. So we should be ready for the hard work. And another thing that I think that takes you from one day to another day is your attitude. So just like you wear clothes every day, you wear an attitude too every day. And if you don't have the right attitude, it's very difficult to make it through to the next day, because you're dealing. People say that a creative designer makes it ahead, but I think a designer with the right attitude makes it ahead, because eventually people are dealing with you, not your clothes. If your attitude is not okay, they're not interested in your clothes. So your attitude has to be right. So I think if you keep these two things in mind, you will go a very long way, and it's an amazing career.
Wow, thank you so much,
Thank
ma'am.
you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. For more updates, keep watching. Till then, goodbye.